Many people spend a lot of money searching for more energy, better focus, and a healthier body. But sometimes the most useful habits begin with simple ingredients already found in the kitchen. The real lesson is not that one drink can change your life overnight. The Stoic way teaches that small actions, repeated every day with discipline, often create the biggest results over time. The first ingredient is onion. You can use either a red onion or a white onion. Both are suitable, so choose whichever you have at home. Take one medium-sized onion and carefully peel off its outer skin. Then slice the onion into small, thin pieces. Smaller slices allow the warm water to reach more of the onion's natural compounds. Now place all the onion slices into a clean cup or glass. Next, pour in warm water, but make sure it is not boiling. Water that is too hot may reduce some of the natural properties of the onion. Once the warm water covers the onion slices, leave the mixture to rest for about 1 to 2 minutes. This short waiting period may seem unimportant, but it reminds us of a valuable Stoic principle. Patience often produces better results than rushing. Just as a seed needs time before it grows, some processes cannot be forced. Now it is time for the second ingredient, ginger. You can use fresh ginger root or ginger powder. Both work well, so choose. If you are using fresh ginger, peel away the skin first. Crush or grate the ginger to release its juice. Then measure about half a teaspoon of fresh ginger juice. That amount is enough for this mixture. If you are using ginger powder instead, simply measure half a teaspoon. There is no need to use more. With natural ingredients, balance is usually better than excess. Add the ginger juice or ginger powder to the cup containing the onion and warm water. Then stir everything slowly until the ingredients are mixed well. Ginger has been used in many cultures for centuries. It is commonly valued for supporting digestion, helping normal circulation, and contributing to overall wellness. While no single ingredient is a miracle cure, adding ginger to a balanced lifestyle can be a practical habit. Think of it like sharpening an axe before cutting wood. The sharpening itself does not chop the tree, but it prepares it. In the same way, healthy daily habits prepare your body to work at its best. The third ingredient is cinnamon. Cinnamon is another simple kitchen spice that many people include in wellness routines because of its pleasant flavor and its natural plant compounds. If you are using cinnamon powder, measure only half a teaspoon or even just a small pinch. A small amount is enough because cinnamon has a strong taste and aroma. Add it to the mixture, then stir again until If you prefer using a cinnamon stick, place one cinnamon stick into the cup and let it soak for about 30 seconds before removing it or continuing with the next step. This reminds us of another Stoic lesson. Strength is not always found in doing more. Often, wisdom comes from knowing the right amount. Whether it is food, work, exercise, or rest, moderation creates balance, while excess often creates problems. By combining onion, ginger, and cinnamon, you create a warm herbal mixture made from simple ingredients. The value of this drink does not come from magic. It comes from consistency, mindful choices, and healthy daily habits. Just as the strongest tree grows little by little each day, lasting wellness is built through small actions repeated with patience and discipline. Now it is time for the fourth ingredient, lemon or lime. You can use either one, depending on. Both are naturally rich in vitamin C, a nutrient that supports the immune system and plays an important role in overall health. Take one fresh lemon and cut it into small pieces. Squeeze out the juice and measure about half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon. There is no need to use a large amount. Sometimes, simple and balanced choices are more effective than excess. Pour the lemon juice into the cup containing the onion, ginger, and cinnamon mixture. Stir everything slowly until all the ingredients are well combined. This step carries a quiet Stoic lesson. Just as lemon brings balance to the drink with its fresh taste, wisdom brings balance to life. Strength is not only about power, it is also about knowing when to add calmness, patience, and self-control. The final ingredient is raw honey. For centuries, honey has been valued as a natural source of quick energy. It contains natural sugars that can provide a temporary energy boost, making it useful before physical activity. However, it should never be seen as a permanent solution for tiredness or poor health. Lasting energy comes from good sleep, proper nutrition, regular movement, and consistent daily habits. Take 1 teaspoon of raw honey and add it to the mixture. Stir slowly until the honey is fully dissolved. At this point, all the ingredients should blend together into. Imagine a blacksmith forging a sword. No single strike creates the finished blade. Every careful step matters. In the same way, every healthy habit may seem small on its own, but together they build a stronger body and a stronger mind. Once everything is mixed well, place a strainer over a clean glass or cup. Slowly pour the mixture through the strainer to remove the onion pieces and any remaining ginger or cinnamon particles. The strained liquid is now ready to drink. Many people enjoy drinks like this because they contain ingredients that have long been used in traditional wellness practices. Onion, ginger, cinnamon, lemon, and honey each contain natural compounds that may support general wellness as part of a healthy lifestyle. However, no homemade drink can replace medical treatment, cure disease, or guarantee specific health results. If you choose to try this mixture, many people prefer drinking it about 45 to 6. Some people also use it occasionally as part of their wellness routine rather than every single day. The most important principle is moderation and paying attention to how your own body responds. A wise person never assumes that what works for someone else will automatically work for everyone. The Stoics believed in observation before judgment. Your body deserves the same respect. If you are trying this drink for the first time, begin with a small serving. Give your body time to respond before deciding whether it suits you. Every person is different, and individual reactions can vary. This mixture may not be suitable for everyone. If you have high blood pressure, kidney disease, heart disease, diabetes, stomach ulcers, acid reflux, allergies to any of the ingredients, or if you are taking prescription medications, speak with a qualified healthcare professional before adding this drink to your routine. The same advice applies to pregnant or breastfeeding women. Remember, true health is not built by chasing miracle recipes. It is built by practicing simple habits every day, eating balanced meals, staying active, sleeping well, managing stress, and making thoughtful decisions. Think about a river shaping a mountain. It does not happen in a single day. The river changes the rock through quiet, steady persistence. Your health grows in exactly the same way. This recipe should be viewed as a simple homemade wellness drink, not as a magical solution. Its value comes from consistency, moderation, and combining it with a healthy lifestyle. One drink alone cannot transform your body, but disciplined daily choices made over months and years can create meaningful change. This content is provided for educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease, and it should never. If you have any medical concerns or ongoing health conditions, always consult your healthcare provider before trying new remedies. The Stoic path reminds us that lasting strength comes from patience, discipline, and wise choices. Every healthy decision, no matter how small, is another step toward becoming stronger than you were yesterday. Before you leave, remember this: real strength is not built in a single day. It is built by the small choices you make every morning, every evening, and every moment in between. Knowledge has value only when it becomes action. If this video helped you see health from a calmer and wiser perspective, support the channel by subscribing. Every new video is created to help you build a stronger body, a clearer mind, and a more disciplined life through simple, practical habits. Share this video with someone who could benefit from it. A single message can sometimes improve another person's daily routine more than you realize. I would also love to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment below and tell me which healthy habit has made the biggest difference in your life or what topic you would like to learn about next. Thank you for spending your time here. Take care of your health, stay patient with your progress, and remember, lasting change does not come from chasing quick results. It comes from consistency, discipline, and wise decisions made every single day. I'll see you in the next video.